Before you arrive in the Philippines, get 2 copies of each of your credit cards. I mean, same credit card, different names. I have a Capital One Saver card with my first name and middle initial, David A. Smith. I have a second card with D. Alfred Smith. If you're hit by fraud, Capital One will DHL you a card for free, but it will take a couple of weeks for the card to reach the Philippines. You have a backup card with your middle name on it. We have all had cards get compromised either in our home country or abroad. Read your statements carefully. Double check for, well, bad actors. I had a 50-cent charge on my card for an EV charging in Detroit. I contacted the company because I have an EV car in California, which my son drives. It might have been a legit charge. I heard back from the company there were 4 people on the same account, all charged 50 cents. I was sent the contact info for the person who used my card. The email domain was owned by North Korea. Those crafty North Koreans were testing a 50-cent charge before hammering me with a huge charge. Nice try, Kim Jong-un. North Korea foiled again. Catch you in the next one.